Yo, what's up? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. How you be? How you doing? I'm so upset with myself right now because your girl just messed up a whole lot of my makeup. I was putting on my foundation and I guess the nozzle was kind of stopped up and this damn thing just splashed all over the backdrop here. So, oh, what kind of lipstick is that, girl? But I'm so upset. Now I gotta clean up all this mess. So happy Mother's Day, beautiful babes. How are y'all? Let me get y'all from over there before you fall down. What's up? It is Saturday, actually, and y'all got a lot of work to do. I am so anal about putting things on my agenda, and I have to take care of them. So I'm going to take care of them this weekend. Mother's Day or not, that's what Mother's is all about. We are 24/7 making happen. Absolutely. But anywho, I'm about to, y'all know my new thing, right? Put these sides down because they is rough right now. So I guess I'll put y'all back. But hold on. Can y'all see over here? Let me see if I can turn you around into this mess. This is makeup. Where is it? All on my little plant. Back there on my cup. So messed up. So messed up. I'm so upset. I am upset. So first I clean off this mess I made. Oh my God, that's gonna dry so ugly. I'm just gonna have to clean up everything. That's about it. Just rough for the girl. Rough for the old girl. So I'm gonna get all this done here. Everybody's okay, I hope. Please tell me y'all are okay. Put that in the comment section because see, I don't like for my babies to be sick or upset or whatever. Because we're gonna get through this together. But I'm just trying to, I'm using some alcohol right now. I've discovered during all of this that alcohol works to clear off a lot of stuff. Just use it. And honey, yeah. Stuff just disappears. Things that's been around forever are gone. I'm just not happy what I just did. That's diluted alcohol. Maybe I need the real deal. Yeah, I got a mess going on, don't I? I'm going to try to clean up this mess, y'all. It is all on my bookcase. I'll just have to wipe it down. All on my cup. Just don't want to act right. I got lipstick that lip gloss all over me. All over my lips. Ain't no telling where out. I'm sure as time goes along, I'll see more and more little spackles everywhere over here, but we're gonna let that be. Let that be that. Put her back over here and hide the mistake. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. I hope I didn't get any on myself. Not that I'm going anywhere, okay? But, I still want to be cute. Yeah. So, let me put this up. I'm through. Wipe this off because this is what caused the problem. For sure. I'm actually getting ready to eat dinner, lunch. What time is it? Lunchtime. Because Mike can actually finish cooking already. I got y'all hands in your face. Sorry. I don't like putting my hand in people's face. So let me show y'all. Let me show you what's going on. Yep. some shrimp Alfredo. That's what's for dinner today. Mikey just finished that up. Yeah, girl. And I'm gonna get ready to eat, but I just wanted to pop in. I wanted to wish y'all a happy Mother's Day weekend. Y'all know I'm thinking about you for sure, and I hope you have a blessed one. I'm not doing anything special. I know Mikey's got dinner for me. No, I'm not his mama, but he got me covered on that. And I'm gonna do some work, and I'm gonna get a lot of in. I'm gonna be grinding this weekend. That's what I'm talking about, okay? So y'all be good. And honey, that's about it. I may pop back in a little bit, but if I don't be mad at me. Until then, y'all know I love you, and take care of yourself. Happy Mother's Day again, and beautiful babes. Y'all know what time it is. BFFs. Yes. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share your girl with your world. And I'll see you on the next one.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last, yeah, the things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem, close to total peace, as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it will.